In this video, I wanted to show you how to put together your lab with the template. So notice I've got my spreadsheet here. I've got all my calculations. I've got units in the headers, so grams, newtons. These guys are newtons. The coefficients don't have units, so there we go. And I've got my graph. My graph has straight lines. It's got the equations listed for the lines, like that. Okay, and I've got two sets of data because it's a group of one or two. So this is on the counter, this is on the paper. You could really pick any two surfaces, right? And so for the first one, for on the paper, I'm going to grab this stuff and go copy. So for you, it's a Control C. For me, it's a Command C because I'm on a Macintosh. And then go in here. What's my partner's name? Mark Counting, of course, right? And then what you can do is just select this text and do Control V. And I don't link it. If you link it, then when you update the spreadsheet, it also updates in the table. I don't know. Unlinked seems less complicated. So there it is. And I don't need this white space here, so I'm going to get rid of that. And let's put the graph in. So click on the graph and do a Control C to copy it. And then select this text and then just paste. I like unlinked, but I don't know. Try linked to see if you like it. So there it is. That's good. Sometimes you have to click on this and make it smaller or bigger if it like goes on to a second page. You might have to make it smaller. And then let's get the other stuff, right? Notice I've got two tabs down here. And you can add tabs with this little plus button. Here's something kind of wicked clever, right? Is that you can actually take, once you finish your first tab like this, you can actually go with this little thing here and you can say duplicate, right? And it makes a copy of it. And then you can just type in your new data here. It'll graph it. All those steps it'll do for you. All you have to do is just type in your new data. Anyway, let's go to my second one here. Yeah, I think I want to. So on the counter, I'm going to grab all this stuff here and copy. And then paste. Again, I don't need that white space. Let's see. And then the graph. I'm going to copy that. So Control C for you. There you go. I think we're good. Let's see. No? Yeah. And then for your answers, to type your answers, what you can do is just select this and then just start typing. You don't need to delete it. Okay, you can just start typing. Don't forget to, in this first one, don't forget to cite data, right? So when it says, talk about how they compare, give examples of, whether one's bigger than the other one, then give examples of that, right? And then come up with a theory. You can just Google this, right? Let's see. What is better to, gotta forget, something about the slings and arrows or something like that. And then just select this text. You can type stuff. Type answers. There you go. That's it, and then you just submit this. Okay?